Our next popular genre of project is the meta project. These are projects that have to do with coding or education or developer tools. Developers, if nothing else, they love making stuff for other developers because usually the other developers themselves.
It's a high bar, though.
Yes, exactly.
It's a high bar.
Our next project exemplifies this sort of positive feedback loop. So let's check it out.
All right.
Hello, everyone. We are Team AlgoSolve. My name is Nicholas, and my teammates are Michael, Vincent, and Samuel. AlgoSolve is a platform for software developers to strengthen their technical interview skills. We've created a library for users to tackle on their software to solve on their software development journey. On submission, automated tests are run against the user solution, and results are automatically returned. Core features of our app include walkthroughs for user solutions. Users are able to keep track of their progress through user dashboards. Users will be able to contribute new questions to our library, and users will be able to discuss problems on our forums. From the homepage, the user will be able to siphon through our questions library by category or difficulty. In addition, the user will have a selection of questions to solve based on major software development companies. In this particular example, the user is going to attempt a problem in the arrays category. Here's Michael to showcase the editor.
The AlgoSolve platform supports users submitting solutions in both JavaScript and Python. Here our user will select Python. When the user submits their solution, our backend will run it against Python unit tests. The results of these unit tests are then parsed, creating customized test results, which are sent back to the user along with the raw unparsed test outputs. The users will receive these test results as if the tests were run in their own terminal. If a user is having difficulty with solving a problem, they're able to access a step-by-step walkthrough along with potential test solutions to help them through the problem. They can also participate in a discussion about the question by commenting in the comment section located at the bottom of the questions page. I'm now going to hand it off to Vincent, who's going to explain to you how a user is able to submit a new challenge to the AlgoSolve database.
Thank you, Mike. To publish a question on AlgoSolve, the user submits a description text file and solution of the chosen programming language. The user added the solution and the test suite in the embedded text editors with syntax highlighting and linting. In addition, the platform provides real-time validation, checking whether the solution passes its own test case. In order to get the individual test case, the user's code input is instrumented during the parsing before the test file and the solution file are executed. Both the raw output from the trial process and the result of each test case will be reported in the bottom right console. If the user is not ready to publish the question, he can save the current progress into the database and come back later to finish the question. If the question is complete, the user can publish the question by triggering a similar series of validating, saving, and publishing activities. If the entire process is complete, a new page for the new question will be set up ready for the users to take the challenge. Now I'll hand it off to Sam to discuss the challenge we face.
After running through the problems in our library, our user will be well prepared to tackle any whiteboard problems in the future. As developers, we enjoyed working on this project as it not only exposed us to a large number of algorithm challenges, but forced us to explore new technologies. One challenge that we faced was determining how to test user submission. At first, we planned to use evar and Esprima, which is a JavaScript parser library. However, after testing this out, we realized that it did not allow users the flexibility to create their own questions. Ultimately, we decided to use Mocha and unit tests. Using these libraries, the user was able to submit solutions and questions in various ways, still producing the expected outcome. Thank you for your time, and please visit us at AlgoSolve.com.
I think the ability for us to even have software like this is really awesome. I think we definitely use something similar to this at Full Stack already in our admissions process, and I could see that maybe we should change to AlgoSolve.
Well, I'll tell you, this project actually started out as a student's stackathon. So that to me is like the ultimate expression of we just tried to hack something together quickly as a proof of concept. But then once you have that proof of concept, it shows that you can take that idea a lot further with the right manpower and collaboration.
Yeah.
And it looked nice. I like the editor. I like the versions they tried. And
Very clean.
I also think that probably just typing all the questions themselves, now they've practiced all the key algorithmic problems. So it's a great hack.